Hello everyone, it's fantastic to have you back. Today I will show you how to create a report for structural components with Report Creator in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Let's get started. First, look for Report Creator for AutoCAD Plant 3D in the Windows search bar and open it. In the Report Creator, navigate to Projects and select the project.xml file of your project. Then, select either project data or drawing data according to your needs. In the report configuration, choose New from the drop-down menu. In the New Report Configuration dialog box, choose New Blank Report, click OK. In the report configuration, enter the desired name, such as Structure Report. In the Report Configuration dialog, click the Edit Query button. In the Query Configuration dialog, select Plant 3D classes as the query type. Select the node Structure Member on the left and click the arrow button to move it to the Included Classes section. Click OK to save your changes. Next, click the Edit Report Layout button. A Report Wizard dialog box will pop up. Select the required fields in Available Fields section on the left and click the arrow button to move it to the Fields to Display in a Report section. Click Next. In the next window, select whether to show single fields or multiple fields in a group. We will bypass this step for the time being. Click Next. In the next window, choose the layout you want and set the report page orientation. We will select Tabular for the demonstration. Ensure that the option Adjust the field width so all fields fit on page is selected. Click Next. In the next window, choose the report's appearance from the available options. Click Next. Please provide the title for the report template. Click Finish. Finally, click on the Preview tab to view the changes. Now, save and close the Report Designer. Here comes the tricky part. In Report Configuration, click the drop-down to change the report template. A dialog box will pop up asking, "Current report configuration has been modified. Do you want to save the changes?" Click Yes. Note: if you skip this step, your report settings will not be saved. Also remember that the report template files are located in the Program Data folder. Ensure you have the required permissions to read and write these files. That's all for today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.